If you landed on this video and you got frozen gutters, you're probably going to be happy you did. If you got frozen gutters, it's not the end of the world. I'm going to try to help you solve this problem. A frozen gutter can cause all kinds of problems, especially when it gets so clogged up, the water backs up into your house, causing all kinds of damage inside. I'm going to help you guys and talk to you guys about a few things that are out there that you can. First option is gutter guards. If you have pine needles, this will stop them from building up and clogging your gutters. Leaves, sticks, branches, all kinds of things can be solved and will stay out of your gutter with these products. If you're not having an issue with clogged gutters, just frozen gutters, there is this product that will heat your gutters and will keep them melting and the water flowing. Roof Melt is also a great product, costs you about $20 and will melt your snow and ice clumps that are clogging your gutters. Keep an eye on your gutters. If the water's still not draining, you don't want it to freeze up again. Check your drain pipes. You might have to disassemble them and clean them out. I hope these simple and quick easy fixes help you take care of your problems with your clogged and frozen gutters. If so, please give me a thumbs up for helping you out. Have a good day.